Hey guys, it's Ivana and today I'm so excited because I'm going to be opening up the new Apple Watch Series 6. So yesterday we went to the store and we got this. This is the Series 6 gold stainless steel case. So let's get into it.
Yeah, get into it!
Ooh, look at this, guys. And so this is the watch, and this is the Solo Loop. Okay. Open up the watch first. There you go. Ooh, look at this. And it has a little sleeve inside. Take it out. Kind of hard. Oh, and there we go. Front, and look at the back. Look at that, so pretty. And in here we found the charging cable and just instructions on how to set it up. So right now we will open the Solo Loop. And apparently there was a little discrepancy in the sizing. So you guys really want to make sure if you're getting the Solo Loop to get the right size, because when I did it online I used a measuring tape and it says I was 6 inches, which equals a size 3, but then when I got it done in stores, I was a size 1. That's a big difference, and it should fit snug. So let's try this out. Just put it in. Let's see if it'll catch. There we go. Set up. Apple Watch. I'm gonna put it on my left wrist. Couple minutes. Oh, okay. Terms and condition, agree. Bold text and size, we're just gonna keep it as the default. Create a passcode. Okay. I'm not gonna set it up right now because I don't have a plan. Use Siri, enable. I'm gonna set the health later. Continue. There we go. Add. And you can just scroll around for all the different faces they have. Let's look for a cute one. Okay, I'm just gonna go for this one because it's clean. Okay. Alright, so we're also not gonna forget about opening the gold band Milanese. pretty. Looks like pull the little tab. That sounds really satisfying. All right, and slide it in. Oh. There you go. Take this sticker. It's fixed now. What do you guys think? Or hold this. This is what the gold band looks like. Alright, thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. If you guys could give me a thumbs up to help that, YouTube algorithm. And please subscribe too. This is my first video and I can't wait to make more. See you guys.